In this video, you'll learn how to customize Webflow templates to create a unique website tailored to your needs. This guide will take you through the steps necessary to select and modify a template effectively. Begin by navigating to Webflow's dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Webflow URL. Once the page loads, ensure you are in the correct workspace as indicated at the top of the screen. This is essential for accessing your sites and templates. Next, locate the option labeled New Site on the dashboard. This button is typically found prominently displayed on the screen. Clicking this will lead you to the next step where you can choose a template to work with. After clicking, wait a moment for the new site options to load. Once the options appear, look for the template button. Selecting this will direct you to a collection of available templates. If you do not immediately see what you want, there may be a message asking if you need help finding a template. You can ignore this for now as you will be browsing through the templates. After that, click on View More in Marketplace. This will take you to a more extensive selection of templates available for use. Loading may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. In the Marketplace, look for a filter option that says Free Only. Activating this filter will narrow down the options to only those templates that are available at no cost. This is particularly useful if you are working with a limited budget. Now choose a template that suits your project. You can browse through the various designs displayed, take your time to find one that aligns with your vision for your website. Once you have made your selection, click on it to proceed. Next, click on View Details to get a closer look at the template. This will provide you with more information about the features and design elements included in the template. Make sure to review this information carefully to ensure it meets your requirements. When you are satisfied with your choice, click on Use for Free. This will initiate the process to set up your selected template for customization. After clicking, wait for the system to prepare the template for your use. Now click on Create Site to finalize the setup of your new website using the chosen template. This action confirms that you want to proceed with this design. Wait for the site to be created, which may take a moment depending on your internet connection. After the site is created, you will be directed to the customization interface. This is where you can begin modifying the template to fit your specific needs. You can change text, images, and layout elements as desired to personalize your website. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.